Coach Tony, over 50 Men's Fitness. Now today what I have for you when it comes to the healthy meal prep playlist is a protein shake. But this protein shake is great for a meal substitute or for post-workout recovery. So I have the ingredients in the description, and I also have it so that you can download your own page and print it out, put it on your refrigerator if you'd like to. In any case, let's get going. We have about 16 ounces of milk, about the same amount of water. Then we use 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, one banana, and we have 1 scoop of whey protein and 1 scoop of casein protein. Then we have pure vanilla extract, and I just do just a small little shake, less than a quarter of a teaspoon, just a small little shake. And we'll cover this up. Blend it up. And then we get ready to have a protein shake. Now keep in mind, this will usually make 42 ounces, which will give me 3 14-ounce servings. So I can use this for recovering after a workout, then I can have one tomorrow as well as the next day, but some days I may have 2, replace a meal plus have post-workout recovery. In any case, I put this in my shaker cup to shake it up one more time, and I tell you what, this is really good. And you're really going to like it if everything's cold, all your ingredients are cold. This is Coach Tony letting you know about how you can have healthy meals, and make it real quick. This takes really 2 or 3 minutes, and you're good to go for 3 days. You can replace your meals or have something for after your workout to recover faster. In any case, Coach Tony, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.